Welcome to Learn and Practice Video Tutorials. Images in Microsoft Word. Includes inserting, resizing, borders, and effects. Document required, screenshots.docs, created during Screenshots and File Explorer.mp4, and some pictures of your choice. If you are watching this on YouTube, the link to the file is below in the comment. Disclaimer. This video is aimed at CAT learners who need to keep up with schoolwork during COVID-19 crisis. It is not as polished as I would like it to be, nor is the sound great. Perhaps if it is found to be useful I will improve it in the future. Tips for using. Do it with the video, pause when you need to, slow it down or speed it up with the playback speed. See tips for using videos for lessons.mp4. Look under Recent to find your file. Click on Screenshots.docs. Click Microsoft Word document. Notice the handles around the image. They are used to resize the image. Click and drag the top corner handle to resize the image. Remember to keep U button down until you have it the right size. Click and drag a side handle if you want to change only one dimension, make it wider, etc. or taller or shorter. The way the text is positioned around the image is called text wrap. To change it, click the layout options. Click the title item. Press Enter to move the text down. Continue to press Enter until the text is underneath the image. Press Enter to add an empty line. Click on the image to select it. Must have the handles around it. Click the layout options. Click behind text. Click and drag the image to move it up. Watch it move behind the text. Click layout options. Click in front of text. Click and drag. Notice that it hides the text. Click layout options. Try the others to see how it affects the text around the image. Let's have a look at other formatting for images. Click on the image to make sure it has its handles. Click Format tab. Click and dragging the handles gets a rough size, but if an exact size is needed then you need to use the size group. Click Shape Height. Type 6. Click Shape Width. Type 7. Click Shape Height. Click the Size and Position button. If the tick is on next to lock aspect ratio, it means that if you change one measurement they both will change, always keeping the picture in proportion. You can set the picture's new size as a % of the original size if there is a tick next to relative to original picture. Click the lock aspect ratio to take the tick off. Click the height, spin button. Note that the width does not change. Click the width absolute value and type 13. Click OK. Notice the picture is stretched. Click the Size and Position button. Click Lock Aspect Ratio. Click the Height, Spin button. Notice the width changes automatically. Click OK. Here you have preset formatting that can be applied to images called styles. Click the double frame, black. Click the Quick Styles drop-down button. When you hold your mouse still over a style without clicking, hover, it will display the name of the style. Click the snip diagonal corner, white item. Click the picture border button. Click blue-gray, text 2. Remember that if you hover over a color it will show you the name. Click the picture border drop-down button. Click Weight, click More Lines. Click Gradient Line. Click Preset Gradients. Click Bottom Spotlight, Accent 5. Click and drag the gradient Stop 2 of 3 button. This allows you to change the color of the gradient. Click the Color drop-down button. Click the Gold, Accent 4, Lighter 40% item. Click the Gradient Stop 3 of 3 button. Click the Color drop-down Grid button. Click Gold Accent 4 Darker 50%. Click in the blank space. Click the Insert tab. To add pictures which are on your computer, click the Pictures button. Click the folder where you saved your pictures. Click on the picture you want to insert. Click Insert. Click and drag the handle to resize. Click Color. There is an option called Set Transparent Color below all these apples, but we can't see it, so move your mouse over one of the apples, but don't click. Press down arrow on keyboard repeatedly until you can see it. Click Set Transparent Color. Click on part of your picture. A solid color will produce the best results. Click Layout Options. Click in front of text. Click off the picture. Type Enter until you get below your picture. Press Enter. Click Insert tab. Click Pictures. Click on another picture. Click Insert. Click Layout Options. Click in front of text. Click and drag to resize. Click Color. Select Set Transparent Color. Click on the picture, preferably on a solid color. You should be able to see the pictures behind it. Click on the picture that lies underneath the new one. Click Bring Forward down arrow. Click Bring Forward. Right-click on the other picture. Click Send to Back down arrow. Click Send Backward. Sometimes it does not do what we expect it to do. Here the screenshot stays at the bottom. If we want the covered image to be behind the screenshot, we actually need to change the wrap of the covered to behind text. Right-click on the image. Click Wrap Text. Click Behind Text. Or you can also click on Layout Options. And then Behind Text. Click the Save button.